Hi team, this video is regarding the verification of a newly added scope, that is admin directory user schema, which is basically responsible for viewing and managing the user schemas of our domain. So we have recently added this scope in our application, that is get short contacts, and we are using this scope to basically fetch the user schemas from the directory and also update the same from our application. So let me basically show you the complete working so that you can also have a basically understanding of the same. So whenever I am clicking on the basically user details, like this is the directory user details, and whenever I am basically clicking on the edit button, I'm basically the application is asking for the directory write access needed. So whenever I'm going forward, let me show you the client ID so that you can have the clear picture. So as we can see, this is the client ID of our application. This is the client ID of our application which we are using with the number 6433 and all, and till the Google user contacts.com. So this is the client ID of our application. So let me move forward. I am basically selecting the account from which I want to basically give the permission. So as we can see, basically this is the newly added scope, view and manage the provisioning of our user schemas on our domain. So this is the scope I want the verification for, and once I grant the permission, basically I will be redirected my application. So now I can basically add the schemas from the application. The schema will be automatically created in the my basically directory details. Let me show you. As we can see, this is the custom field schema which is already present in my directory, and these are the custom fields which are already present. So let's say I am creating a new one. This is the basically custom schema manager, and if I am adding the new custom schema, let's say pet name. This is my new custom schema. I want this custom schema to be used in my application. So let me save the same. As you can see, the pet name is saved in my application, and since I have granted the permission, the pet name should also be visible here, because due to the permission I have given the permission, the pet name should be visible. As we can see, the pet name has come. Let me show you in detail. Previously there was no pet name, and now the pet name has come because I have provided the basically permission. Similarly, I can fetch the details from the directory as well. So let's say when I am creating the new schema from here, then my application will also fetch the same in every particular interval of time, in every 6 hours. So that's the sole purpose of this basically scope verification, so that we can basically provide the functionality of our users to create and get the user schemas of the directory. Thank you.